Hi everyone, this is going to be a quick haul from softflex.company.com, and I bought their next mystery design kit. This one is called Resort Chic, and I did get the two coordinating strands. One is in blue, it's sort of a teal blue, very sparkly and very pretty. Of course, I love blue. And the other one is in a pink. So if these are a sneak peek of the colors that might be in this package. Now, I can't reveal this yet because they will not be revealing it till about the 28th of April. So 28th of April, which is a Wednesday, 6 p.m. my reveal will go live, and hopefully I'll have some things made with this by then. I am getting ready to make things with the egg hunt, just a little bit late, but you know, so I'm not terribly late. I think I have until this coming week to get things made and post pictures on their Softflex VIB, very important beading group, I think it stands for. So I'm excited to see what's in this, something a little different maybe. And they have the rules and things here, which I've gone over before. So come back on the 28th and see the reveal of that, which these will coordinate with, hopefully. And then I also bought another pack of the 2021 Spring Summer Pantone. I'm not going to open this one because I had bought one previously and I decided I wanted some more of some of the beads that were in that one. So this is what it looks like. I shared this previously. So I'm not going to go into a lot of detail with it. But you know, you can kind of see what you're getting here. I think these are acrylic actually. Maybe. I don't know. I like these, and I like the blues. And look, there's purple. We just did a Passion for Purple collab video. And some people crocheted, and some did scrapbooks. And some made some embellishments. So if you missed that, go see. It's sort of like the Joy of Blue, but it's hosted by Metal Scrap and Chick, and it's called Passion for Purple, and you can play along with us using a certain hashtag, which is on that video in the description box. So yeah, this is what this looked like. Lots of yellows, blues, pinks, and silvers, which I'm happy to have silver actually in with these, and you know, bead caps and things, and purple, some purple, not a whole lot of purple, but some, which is fine because I also, when I bought the first one of these, I also had bought this strand, which was called their Amethyst Orchid. It was a Pantone colorway Amethyst Orchid, so that'll go pretty with those. So anyway, that it looks to be about the same as this one, which is good because I wanted some more of some of these beads. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. That is it for now, and do come back on the 28th, and well, come back before that because on the 18th we have a collab going up, Jewelry Making Fun, and I'll be having some other jewelry videos going up in between, finished jewelry, and possibly also some what's on my bead table series, which is bead along with me, basically. Bead along with me. I don't want to call them tutorials because it's more just me making jewelry and you watching, and I do talk through some things, but I just don't want to categorize them yet as tutorials. Alright, thanks guys. Talk to you soon.